Good morning, Jai Hind students. Today I will discuss about the previous topic of matrix, that is transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. So today I will discuss about transpose of matrix. The matrix, first you will see the definition. The matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns is known as transpose of matrix. This is the basic definition of transpose of matrix. How will you define the transpose of matrix? The matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns is known as transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix, it is denoted by AT. It is denoted by A upper script T or A dash. This is the symbolic representation how to represent the transpose of matrix AT or A dash. So this is the basic definition of transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix, the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns is known as transpose of matrix. Let us consider an example. A matrix A such that A is equal to Aij of order m cross n. Let us consider a matrix A such that A is equal to Aij of order m cross n. Then the transpose of matrix A, that is AT or A dash, and defined by AT is equal to Aij n cross n. Now example of transpose of matrix. Let or find the transpose of matrix A such that A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 9. This is of order 2 cross 3. So we have to find out the transpose of matrix A, and the given matrix A of order 2 cross 3, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7, 2, 9. So we have to find out the transpose of A. This is the question and this is the answer. transpose of A, that is AT is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7, 2, 9. This will be of order 3 cross 2. So this is the basic example of transpose of matrix. How will you find out the transpose? Matrix obtained by interchanging rows into columns, that is known as transpose of matrix, and this is the simple examples. You can solve it. Now I will discuss about the properties of transpose of matrix. This is the properties of transpose of matrix. It is very useful to solve the matrix and transpose of matrix. So first property, transpose of matrix is same. Transpose of matrix is same matrix. That is, transpose of matrix is always the same matrix. So this is the first property. Second property is the transpose of the sum of two matrices is always equal to sum of their transpose. That is, for any two matrix A and B, A plus B power t is equal to A to the power t plus B to the power t. The transpose of A plus transpose of B. Come to third property. Now come to third property. The transpose of the product of two matrices is always equal to product of their transpose in reverse order. That is, for any two matrix A and B, the transpose of the product of two matrix is always equal to product of their transpose in reverse order. So this is the basic properties of the transpose of matrix. There are three properties I have written. Now students, come to fourth properties. The transpose of the product of a matrix and a scalar is always equal to the scalar multiple of the transpose of matrix. So for any matrix A, and scalar K, the transpose of K times A, the transpose of scalar and a matrix is always equal to scalar multiple of their transpose. These are the four properties. Now come to the example of transpose of matrix. Find the transpose of example. Find the transpose of matrix A such that A is equal to 2, 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 4. This is of order 3 cross 3. So solution is here. Their transpose is denoted by AT, and AT can be written as rows into columns, means 2, 9, minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 7, 3 and 4. This is the transpose of given matrix A. So student, example 2, let capital A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, 2, 5, 3, 4 of order 2 cross 2, and B is equal to 1072 of order 2 cross 2. So first of all we have to verify or check it or prove that A plus B transpose is equal to AT plus BT. So solution is here. Since A is equal to 2, 5, 3, 4, this implies AT will be equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, and B is equal to 1072. So B transpose will be equal to 1702. So first of all, we have to check A plus B. A plus B result will be, add the matrix A and B, result will be 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 0 5, and 3 plus 7 10, and 4 plus 2 6. This is A plus B. So its transpose will be equal to, this implies their transpose means A plus B transpose will be equal to 310, 3 10, 5, 6. 3, 10, 5, 6. Now add AT plus BT, means A transpose plus B transpose. This will be sum here, that is 2 plus 1 means 2, 3, 5, 4, and plus this result 1, 7, 0, 2, and this sum will be equal to 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3, 7 3 10, 5 plus 0 5, and 4 plus 2 6. So A plus B, AT BT, value is this, 3 is at 10, 5 6, and A plus B transpose, that is 3 10, 5 6. So from equation 2 and from equation 1, from equation 2 and 1, from equation 2 and 1, from equation 2 and 1, hence proof. Hence proof. The transpose of the sum of two matrices is always equal to sum of their transpose. So now I will discuss about symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? A square matrix of order n cross n is said to be symmetric matrix of order n cross n if Aij is equal to Aji, or A is equal to AT, that is transpose of A. In other words, a square matrix A such that capital A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to Aji or A is equal to AT. Now I will discuss about symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix or skew symmetric. This is skew symmetric matrix. First, see the definition. A square matrix, capital A, such that A is equal to Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix of order n cross n, of order n cross n, if Aij is equal to minus Aji, or A is equal to minus A times transpose. Now now let capital A be in a square matrix and A T is the transpose of A. So you can write A is equal to A, and A can be written as 2A by 2, and this one can be written as 1 by 2 A plus A, and this one also can be written as A plus A, operate the transpose A plus A plus A minus A T. This step is equal because transpose will be cancelled out. So result is A plus AT plus A minus AT, and this result by part can be written as A plus AT by 2 plus A minus AT by 2. So matrix A, that is equal to A plus AT by 2, A plus AT by 2 plus A minus AT by 2, and this is the symmetric matrix and this is skew symmetric matrix. Capital A is equal to symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. This is the symmetric matrix and this is skew symmetric matrix. So any matrix can be expressed as any square matrix of order same order can be expressed as symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Any matrix square matrix can be expressed as symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, where symmetric matrix is equal to A plus AT by 2 and skew symmetric matrix that is A minus AT by 2. Now see the question. Express the matrix A, the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So first of all, we have to find out their transpose. Solution. Since the given matrix A such that A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 and 1 minus 2 minus 3. First of all, we have to find out their transpose. Their transpose AT, that will be equal to, interchanging row and columns, 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 and minus 4 4 minus 3. So this is the transpose of the given matrix, that is 2 minus 2 minus 4 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 2 minus 3 of the same order, 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3. This is valid only for a square matrix. So A and AT. So symmetric matrix formula, since symmetric matrix is equal to A plus AT by 2. Symmetric matrix A plus AT by 2. So we have to add this A and AT, then divide by 2. So solve it. 1 by 2 A plus AT, that is 4, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 plus 3 6 4 minus 2 2 and 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 and minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. So this is A plus AT. So when you will to multiply by 1 by 2, result is 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 and 3 and 1 and minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 and minus 3. This is the symmetric. So skew symmetric matrix, that is equal to A minus AT by 2. So put the values of A and AT. Result will be A minus AT by 2. So you will subtract this two matrix. Result you will get 1 by 2, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, and the minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, and the minus 1, minus 2 means minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, 3, minus 3, 0, 4 plus 2, 6, and 1 plus 4, that is 5, minus 2, minus 4, that is minus 6, and minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. So result is, when you will multiply by 1 by 2, result 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 3, 5 by 2, minus 3, and 0. This is the skew symmetric matrix. This is the answer.